Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Today we are going to solve Chapter 7 Algebraic Methods from A-Level Maths Mixed Exercise question number 10, 11 and 12 in a very easy and simple way. Now we will start our today's lecture. Now in question number 10, g of x is equal to 2x cube plus 6x square minus 6x minus 5. In the A part you have to factorize this, and in the B part solve the values g of x. So you will write solution as g of x is equal to the 2x cube plus 9x square minus 6x minus 5. Now you will put the value of x such that your answer is equal to the 0. So put x is equal to the 1 in this equation. Then you will get g of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 cube plus 9 into 1 square minus 6 into 1 minus 5. So this will equal to 2 plus 9 minus 6 minus 5, 11 minus 11, which is equal to the 0. So it's mean that 1 is the factor of this. So we will write x minus 1 is factor of g of x. Now we will solve the B part such that solve g of x is equal to 0. It's mean we will divide our question by x minus 1 and find the answer. Now we will divide by x minus 1. 2x cube plus 9x square minus 6x minus 5 divided by x minus 1. First of all, to make 2x cube, we will multiply x by 2x square. So 2x square into x is 2x cube minus 2x square. Circle the old sign and get the new sign. So 9 plus 2 is 11, 11x square minus 6x minus 5. Now to make 11x square, we will multiply this by 11x. So 11x square minus 11x. Now circle the old sign and get the new signs. 11x square minus 11x square is cancel out, minus 6x and 11x plus 11x is 5x minus 5. Now to make 5x, we will multiply x by 5. So this is equal to 5x minus 5, circle the old sign and we will get the new sign. 5x minus 5x is cancelled out and we have 0 as remainder. Now the factorized form of this will be g of x is equal to the x minus 1 into 2x square plus 11x plus 5. Now this is the g of x. Now he said that put g of x is equal to 0 and get the values of x. Now g of x is equal to 0 means x minus 1 into 2x square plus 11x plus 5 is equal to 0. Now we will factorize this. X minus 1 into 2x square, make the factors of 10. 2 into 5 is 10 such that when they are added give 11. So 10x plus x plus 5. So x minus 1 into 2x square. First of all, take the common 2x from this. You will get x plus 5 and take plus 1 common, remaining is x plus 5, which is equal to 0. So x minus 1 into 2x plus 1 into x plus 5, and this is equal to 0. Now the different values of x will be, we have x minus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 1, and 2x plus 1 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 1 by 2, and x plus 5 is equal to 0 means x is equal to minus 5. So these are the required answer of this question. Now we will solve question number 11. Now the question number 11 is, show that x minus 2 is a factor of f of x, and in the B part you will find the exact solution of f of x is equal to 0. Now we will solve this. First of all, put f is 2, then find the answer. So f of 2 is equal to 2 cube plus 2 square minus 5 into 2 minus 2. So f of 2 is equal to 2 cube is 8. 8 plus 4 minus 10 minus 2. So this is equal to 12 minus 2, which is equal to 0. So x minus 2 is a factor of f of x. Now we will divide this by x minus 2 and get the factors of this. Now divide the f of x. X cube plus x square minus 5x minus 2. Divide this by x minus 2. When you multiply x by x square, you will get x cube. So x cube minus 2x square. Now circle the old sign and you will get the new signs. X cube minus x cube is cancelled out. X square plus 2x square is 3x square minus 5x minus 2. Now to make 3x square, you will multiply x by plus 3x. So this is 3x square minus 6x. Now circle the old signs, you will get the new sign. So this is equal to x minus 2. You multiply this by plus 1 and get x minus 2. So this is the final answer. The factors of this are, you will write f of x is equal to the x minus 2 into x square plus 3x plus 1. So this will be the final answer. X minus 2 into x square plus 3x plus 1. Now you cannot make the factor of this x square plus 3x plus 1, but you have to find the value of x. For this purpose, you will apply the quadratic formula in this part to get the value of x. Now put f of x is equal to 0 means x minus 2 into x square plus 3x plus 1 is equal to the 0. Since f of x is equal to the 0. Now we will apply quadratic formula in this. X square plus 3x plus 1. Here a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3 and c is equal to 1. So x is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the quadratic formula. So x will be equal to minus b means minus 3 plus minus b square means 9 minus 4 over 2a means 2. So this will be equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of 5 by 2. So this is the value of x. Now we will find the other value of x, that is x minus 2 is equal to 0 means x is equal to 2. This is one result, and other is x is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of 5 by 2. So this is the another answer. Now we will solve the question number 12. Now in question number 12, given that minus 1 is a root of 2x cube minus 5x square minus 4x plus 3, find the two positive roots. We will have to find the other two positive roots. So given that minus 1 is the root means x is equal to minus 1 is a root. So x plus 1 is factor. We will divide the question by x plus 1. So 2x cube minus 5x square minus 4x plus 3, divide this by x plus 1. So to make 2x cube, we will multiply x by 2x square. So this is equal to 2x cube plus 2x square. Now circle the old sign, you will get the new sign. 2x cube minus 2x cube is cancel out. Minus 5x square minus 2x square is minus 7x square minus 4x plus 3. So to make minus 7x square, we will multiply x by minus 7x. So this is equal to minus 7x square minus 7x. Now circle the old signs, you will get the new signs. 7x square minus 7x square and plus 7x square is cancel out. Minus 4x plus 7x is equal to the 3x plus 3. Now multiply x plus 1 by 3, you will get 3x plus 3. Now mark the old sign and get the new sign. All the terms are cancelled out. So factors are x plus 1 into 2x square minus 7x plus 6. Now make the factor of 6 such that when they are added give 7. So x plus 1 into 2x square plus 6x minus 6x minus x plus 6. Now x plus 1, you will take 2x as common, remaining is x minus 3 minus 1 into x minus 3. The factors are x plus 1 into 2x minus 1 into x minus 3. Now you will put f of x is equal to the 0 and find the values of x. Now the values are x plus 1 is equal to 0, 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. So the roots are x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 1 by 2 and x is equal to plus 3. So this is the required answer of this question. I hope you understand all the questions that are solved in this video. In the next video, we will solve the remaining question of this exercise. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.